Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Before moving forward, hit the subscribe button. In today's video I will tell you guys how to make rice scrub organically, which Korean used the most. But please feel free to ask me questions about skin problems or health problem. So let's start the video. 1. Rice and honey scrub. Ingredients: half a cup rice flour, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons milk or water. Instructions: mix rice flour, honey, and milk or water to form a smooth paste. Gently scrub this mixture on your body in circular motions. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse off with warm water. This scrub hydrates and nourishes your skin while exfoliating. 2. Rice and coconut oil scrub. Ingredients: half a cup ground rice, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, optional. Instructions: mix the ground rice with coconut oil, and sugar if using, to form a thick scrub. Apply to damp skin and gently massage in circular motions for a few minutes before rinsing. Coconut oil helps to moisturize while rice exfoliates the skin. 3. Rice and green tea scrub. Ingredients: half a cup rice flour, 2 tablespoons brewed green tea, cooled, 1 tablespoon sugar. Instructions: mix rice flour, green tea, and sugar together to create a paste. Apply to your body and scrub gently, focusing on rough areas. Green tea adds antioxidants to help refresh and rejuvenate your skin. 4. Rice and almond oil scrub. Ingredients: half a cup rice flour, 2 tablespoons almond oil, 1 tablespoon milk or yogurt. Instructions: combine rice flour, almond oil, and milk/yogurt to create a paste. Gently exfoliate your skin using circular motions. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, which is great for softening and nourishing your skin. 5. Rice and lemon scrub. Ingredients: half a cup rice flour, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil. Instructions: mix rice flour with lemon juice and oil to form a scrub paste. Gently massage the scrub onto your body, particularly on rough patches like elbows and knees. Lemon helps to brighten your skin, and the oil provides moisture. Tips for using rice scrubs: always patch test on a small area before using these scrubs on your entire body to check for allergic reactions. Scrub gently to avoid irritation, especially on sensitive areas. Use these scrubs 1 to 2 times per week for best result. Please feel free to ask me questions about skin problems or health problem.